3 reasons to renovate backed by science. Firstly, did you know that on average we Kiwis spend 60 to 70% of our time at home? We can drill down even further and learn that the room we spend the most time in is the bedroom, coming in at 6 hours per day, most of them spent sleeping. Next up is the living room at 4.4 hours per day, and in third place is the home office with 3.3 hours per day. Next up, a study out of the University of California, Los Angeles asked participants to film self-guided tours of their homes. Those that dwelled on things that needed fixing, such as unfinished projects, repairs, or chaotic areas, had increased levels of the stress hormone cortisol than those who described their home as restful and relaxing. Lastly, many researchers and designers alike provide scientific and anecdotal evidence that our homes play a significant role in shaping our daily experiences. How they are laid out, decorated, and furnished can be curated to evoke different feelings and act as a form of emotional regulation. Our homes are the perfect canvas for self-expression and have the potential to support wellness and personal growth. It's clear just how much of an impact our homes have on our life. By improving your home, you can improve your daily life, and we are here to help. Pizzazz Design and Build are the experts in all things renovation. From concept design through to completion, we are passionate about creating spaces that make your life better. Get in touch now to book your free in-home consultation. Send us a DM, call us on 0800 792 992 or visit www.pizzazz.co.nz.